What's up, guys? As you can see, we're not in our usual trail vehicle today. That's because we're headed out to Sable River to the Tidney Bridge to help the Shelburne ATV Club replace the bridge. Let's do it. Alright, boys are out here loading the lumber. They already got some, I don't know what you call them, cribs made up for the rails.
Side rails.
Yeah, side rails already formed up. It's not their first rodeo. Same crew's been at this, building these bridges, I don't know, 30, 40 years, pretty much all my life. I've helped them with one, I think. This will be the second one. And yeah, a lot on the go. Good morning. You guys don't mind the camera, do you?
What? Camera?
Don't mind being on video a little bit, do you?
Well, I'll see ya.
Perfect.
How much do we get paid?
We get a show. We don't get paid very much at all. Don't. Same as the work we're doing here, huh?
Well, we get paid some.
But we got to show the people what goes into this. What?
Well,
I'm trying to learn myself.
you're trying to learn.
Yeah.
You come to the right place because we can boss you around and tell you what to do.
All right, let's do it. Well, that's phase one done. Boys are down there having a drink and a sandwich. We got double layer 2x6, big 5-inch spikes driven down through the first and second layer. Side rails over here, 2, 3 center pieces. They're building this one wide, like 109 inches or something, so that machinery and whatnot can access the next 10 kilometers of trail, I believe they said. Boys are down here loading up the prefab rail system they got done up. They build these off-site, or they looks like they built them right here, I'd say. Back to work, fellas. Back to work. Hold the camera while these guys do all the work. Boys got the first piece nailed down. A few just roughly set in place. We gotta take some measurements, get the old hammers swinging. Well, we got the base layer of the decking down. It's lunch break now, and then we'll be putting some decking this way. The Woodland Multi-Use Trail Association, I guess is the name.
In cooperation with the Shelburne County ATV Association.
There you go. In cooperation with the Shelburne County ATV Association. Sandwich time. We got the first cross and she ain't ready yet, but they're gonna send her.
It's easy. There she is, buddy.
Well, we had a few people show up side by sides, lend a hand. Not intentionally, but that's what happened. Some of the boys showed up on a ride and stopped and gave us a hand. Hell yeah, appreciate it. We got her all decked in. Boys are nailing off the last of the railing, and that'll be it for today. We're gonna come back and finish the, whatever you call them, side rails. Good day's work. It's what we do, I guess. Mile 27.5. Kidney River number 3. Well, there she is in all her glory. Yeah, like I say, they'll be coming back to put the railings on. 3 or 4 boards going along the side there, horizontally like that. Other than that, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Make sure you get out and volunteer. We'll see you on the next one.
Nova Scotian Off-Road on YouTube.